Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable notifications on Storytel app. So if you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you'd like to put an end to them, then follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to stop alerts from this app, you need to go ahead and access the app info page. You can simply do that by going to settings, and then from settings scroll down up to app. From app, look for the option called manage apps or all apps, and this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have. Go ahead and scroll down until you find yours, and as you can see, mine is here. You can also search for your app using the search option up here. So if I tap on this, you can see now we have this app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back to your app and then long press on it, and you should see app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to the same app info page. Here now, go to permissions section and go to notifications. Now you can see all these notifications are on. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and enable it. So that's how you can stop pop-up notifications from Storytel app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.